Start with 5 frames. Now just flip these and take this back part out. This paint is called Vintage Tea Rose. Now grab your frames and I am painting it this nice pink color. Make sure to get the sides. All of these are from the dollar store. These look great and I made them nice and distressed. Now take one of these and I'm dropping in the glass. And you can put these back in. Get some hot glue, add some along the rim. Grab another frame and I'm sticking this right into the glue. I'm sticking that right down. Last one, we're just covering up the front. All right, and now get all the glass and some scrapbook paper. I'm picking some I like. I love this and you'll see why. Take your glass and put that right down like that. Trace and cut this out. Grab some kebab sticks. I have some gold paint and I'm just making these gold. Don't even worry about the tips. Now just grab your glass and I'm sticking that right inside this window. Stick this right behind the glass and sandwich that in. I'm doing that to all sides. Next, you'll need some vintage frames. I printed some photos at CVS. So cute. All mini photos with my mom. This is from when I got my hair way over coiffed in Italy, and that's baby me. And I have some little mini photos too. Flip over your frames, add some hot glue, and stick on your photos. Rub it in. These turned out so cute. I have been loving my stamp pad recently. So we are adding a little stamped message. Anything mini is always better. I love these. Clip these just like this. I'm adding some hot glue to these little clips. Now you can stick that right in the middle like this. And this one will go right here. 2 sides are photos and 2 sides will be gift cards. I've got this little stubby vase right here. Stick that down the center and some floral foam. I'm just cutting a piece off like that. Grab some hot glue and I'm adding some to the bottom of that vase. Just squirt some down there. And now we can press in our floral foam. You want it to be nice and snug down there. Now grab your frames and your sticks. I'm putting this right on the back, just taping these on. Just rub it in. And then just be mindful with the horizontal and the vertical that you're taping these the right way. Next, get some flowers. You can add some water right into that center vase. Snip your stems, and now just start sticking these straight in. Now it's time for your pictures on a stick. These will poke right in. I'm adding these all throughout. Getting this one right here. All right, now I'm poking this in. And now check out this awesome gift idea for mom or really any occasion you want. Honestly, this is one of my best crafts I've ever invented. I'm obsessed with all the photos woven into the flowers. This is my new favorite accessory. The scrapbook paper matched the vintage frame idea. So that was the reason for this paper choice. And I honestly feel like all of them really went with that cool antique vintage vibe. So I definitely recommend using that pad. It was called Club Velvet. Hope you all love this one. And if you are a mom, happy Mother's Day. Let me know what you think and happy Mother's Day. If you're loving my videos, feel free to hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you're one of my subscribers already, thank you so much for watching all my videos. Love you all. If you'd like to sign up for my newsletter, you can check that out at HeyBrooklynB.com, where I also have a DIY membership club. Thanks again, everyone. Hope you love this one.